Hey guys, it's your girl Four-Wheel Fitness, and I am here with a really great workout that you can do to work on your edges, to work on your squats and staying stable on your edges. And what we are going to do is called front crossover squats. So we're actually going to start by crossing over and then popping out into a squat. So what we're going to do is go crossover right over left, pop out, shoulder width apart, squat down. Left over right, pop out, shoulder width apart, squat all the way down to like a seated position. Squat down. So we're going back and forth, crossing over, and I want you to practice keeping your crossovers as close as you're comfortable. So trying to only let your other foot going into the squat come out wide, and there you go. So you can do this faster. You can also explode into the move, but what you want to focus on really is your form, making sure that you're crossing over properly, that when you're squatting, your feet are shoulder width apart, you're keeping your chest out, your head up, and first and foremost, work on keeping those feet as close together as possible when you come in to do the front crossover. And there you go, guys. Front crossover squats. There you go. The faster version, keeping that form. And there you go, guys. Have fun. Work on those edges and stability. Get this leg day workout in, guys. Have a good one.